Lead is a naturally occurring metal. In the past, it was used in many different ways, but we now know that exposure to lead can be a health concern. Lead in our drinking water is one possible way of being exposed. When drinking water leaves the water treatment facility and travels through the distribution system, it contains no measurable level of lead. However, lead can still occur in your drinking water. There are two primary ways lead can get into drinking water. Every home has a pipe that connects your property's plumbing to the water main in the street. This is called the water service line. Your water utility is responsible for maintaining the section of the service line that runs from the water main to your property line and ensuring it's lead-free. This is known as the utility portion. Homeowners are responsible for the portion of the service line that runs from the property line to the valve inside the home or building. If your home was built after 1960, you are less likely to have a lead service line. Here's how you can use common household items to find out what your home's water service line is made of. The first step is to find the water service line in your home. This will be a pipe entering your home where it connects with the water shutoff valve. If your home has a basement or crawl space, check there first. Typically, water service lines enter the home at the lowest level of the structure. For homes built on a slab, check in the garage or near your water heater. The incoming water line usually comes through the foundation near the front side of your house. If you cannot locate your home's water service line, you may contact a licensed plumber for assistance. Once you've located your water service line, you will need a screwdriver and a magnet to determine the material your line is made of. Note, you need to be looking at the pipe as close to where it enters the house as possible, in the area preceding the shutoff valve if one is present. This is because often the pipe material changes soon after it enters the home. Be sure to examine the pipe itself, not the fittings or connectors. There are 4 types of service line materials: copper, galvanized steel, plastic, and lead. Use the flat edge of a screwdriver to scratch the service line in an area before any valves or meters. If the scratched area appears to be copper in color, like a penny, the service line is made of copper. A magnet will not stick to a copper pipe. If the scratched area remains a dull gray color, the service line is made of galvanized steel. A galvanized steel pipe is very hard and not easily scratched. A strong magnet will stick to galvanized steel pipe. A plastic service line is typically white, black, or blue. You may easily recognize plastic pipes from metal pipes without a scratch test. However, if you need a scratch test, the scratched area stays the same color as the pipe itself. A magnet will not stick to plastic pipes. If the scratched area is shiny and silver, the service line is made of lead. Lead pipes are also softer and easier to scratch than copper or galvanized steel. A magnet will not stick to a lead pipe. The results of the scratch test are a good indicator of the service line material. Please share the results of this test with your water provider. While there is a risk that drinking water can come into contact with lead, if you are informed about the plumbing in your home, you can greatly reduce the risk of lead in your drinking water. To learn more, visit the Kentucky Division of Water's website, bit.ly/checkyourpipesky.